Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the stand and clamp so the pop filter will be stable. First, mount the clamp to your boom or desk arm and tighten it evenly. Uneven pressure causes slippage. Once done, attach the flexible gooseneck so it faces your mouth and set the height roughly 6 to 12 inches from the capsule. This balances plosive reduction and room tone. Make sure the clamp fits the arm's diameter. If not, add a protective shim so the clamp holds without damaging the surface. Now attach the pop screen to the gooseneck and flatten the mesh so there are no wrinkles. A warped surface scatters sound unpredictably. Next, align the filter so its center sits between 2 and 6 inches in front of the mic capsule, which reduces plosives without muffling sibilance. Once aligned, angle the screen slightly if you're off-axis to tame breathy hits. Then record a quick test, saying hard consonants. Make fine distance tweaks until the plosives are softened but clarity remains. Finish by locking every clamp and giving the stand a light tap to check for vibration. If anything moves, tighten again. If your voice sounds muffled, move the filter outward by about 1/2 to 1 inch to restore brightness, and if popping still occurs, add a second pop layer or reposition the angle. For low-frequency rumble, introduce a foam shock mount or isolation pad on the mic. This separates mechanical noise from the capsule. Finally, do a full recording pass and listen critically for any remaining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.